There are different types of logos that offer different advantages. Today we are going to talk about 9 types of logos. Number 1. Pictorial mark. Logos that use visual graphics to illustrate the brand names like Apple and YouTube. Number 2. Word mark. A type of logo design that includes only the company name like Coca-Cola and Google. Number 3. Letter marks. Logo using letters to represent initialism names like LG or H&M. Number 4. Mascots. Logos that use characters to represent the brand names like KFC. Number 5. Dynamic marks. Logos that change color, shape and text according to the context they are being used for, like the city of Melbourne. Number 6. Emblems. Logo using quest badges or seals to contain the mark like Harley and Starbucks. Number 7. Letter forms. Single letter logos depicting a broader name and identity like Netflix and McDonald's. Number 8. Abstract marks. These logos express multiple concepts and feelings in a single symbol like Nike or Pepsi. And number 9. Combinations. Logos using a mix of all previous examples like Pizza Hut and Mercedes. Different brands have different strategies. Know your options and choose them wisely.